So I ordered a lather machine. It came in. I've got, this came earlier. This is the cleaner. And then these are the little concentrates of the soap. Kind of almost like a shampoo, I think. And the machine must be in this box. Get it open. It says there's a push button for easy dispensing, extra large soap cup, non-slip safety rubber pad, clean brush, long-lasting DC motor. Ooh, comes in a carrying case. There's Lather Time, professional lather machine. Pretty efficiently. Directions, looks bad, although I did watch the videos on how to do it. And there's a little lather machine. Excuse above. Fairly heavy. It weighs a couple pounds. Let's get a little button on it. Got one more of the soaps. And the rubber pad that keeps it from sliding. And you can either mix a tiny bit into here using capfuls of the stuff, it's like one capful and two capful kind of thing, or you can use a container and mix a gallon at a time, which seems more realistic. So after a lot of thought, I decided I'd never use this for drinking at it because it's awful big. Got this giant hydro flask, and I got purified water over there. This says use, well, actually I think it says use distilled, but so this goes like so. Feeds it right in there. Oh, it's pretty. Oh yeah, you can push it real hard even with it empty. It's got the little tank. Super cute. I think what I want to do is mix up the soap and give her a try. So I'll do that and get it. Okay, so I did the mix. Ended up having to get a measuring cup. You would think they would have marked the side with the ounces so that you wouldn't need a measuring cup, but use measuring cup. So I had the 4 ounces of this, 2 ounces of the cleaner, mixed into the gallon of water, put it in my big old hydro flask. It poured very nicely into the machine. I got the stuff in there. It does tell you to do warm water. Clearly it won't be warm. Well, you could put it at warm. It stayed warm for a long time, but I don't know, this gallon I think is gonna last a long time. The foam's very frothy and light, so I think that there's actually a lot of shapes in each little batch. So it's not really the dispenser, but I would, if I could change anything, I would have the little side marked, kind of like they do on like oil or something like that. You could guess, but so you're stuck with a measuring cup. The machine's pretty quiet. You push in on, I want to hold it because I just don't believe it's going to stay there, but you just push in on the front, dispenses the foam out. It's very frothy, very light. It does have a slipperiness to it, so that's pretty neat. Feels like shave lotion. Pretty thick. And then it did come with a brush. So in the morning, if you didn't empty it out, you would just give this a stir in the morning so that the solids and everything all stays Stays mixed in good. There's no on and off switch that I found, so you have to plug it in and unplug it, because there's no switch. It's just a little bit weird, because I don't think you'd want to leave it on all the time. Maybe you would. And direction book, pretty short and sweet. It's very, very slippery, feels pretty good. And when I actually use it and get a little time, oh, it does have a nice smell too. Just a light soapy smell. Kind of manly. It's not, definitely not a chick smell. So that's it for today.